Kylie Jenner, United States, media personality, entrepreneur. She turned lip kits into a billion-dollar empire and became the youngest self-made billionaire in the world. This is the remarkable rise of Kylie Jenner, the queen of branding and beauty. Kylie Kristen Jenner was born on August 10, 1997, in Los Angeles, California, into the spotlight. She's the youngest daughter of Caitlyn Jenner, formerly Bruce Jenner, an Olympic gold medalist, and Kris Jenner, the mastermind behind the Kardashian-Jenner empire. Kylie grew up on TV. At just 10 years old, she appeared in the reality show, Keeping Up with the Kardashians, 2007, which turned the entire Kardashian-Jenner family into global celebrities. But Kylie didn't just ride the wave, she created her own. Known for her unique fashion sense and dramatic style changes, she built a loyal following on social media, especially Instagram and Snapchat, where she became one of the most followed personalities in the world. In 2015, at the age of 18, Kylie launched Kylie Lip Kits, and what started with just $250,000 and 3 lipstick shades quickly exploded. The brand evolved into Kylie Cosmetics, generating hundreds of millions in revenue. By 2019, Forbes named her the youngest self-made billionaire at just 21, thanks to her savvy business moves, online presence, and a majority stake sale of Kylie Cosmetics to beauty giant Coty Incorporated outside business. Kylie is also a style icon, appearing on magazine covers like Vogue, Forbes, and Elle. She's also a loving mother. In 2018, at just 20 years old, she gave birth to her first child, Stormi Webster, with rapper Travis Scott. In 2022, she had her second child, Air Webster. She later expanded her empire into skincare with Kylie Skin, followed by Kylie Baby, and continues to dominate the beauty world while setting trends globally. Despite public scrutiny and media storms, Kylie has mastered the art of turning attention into influence, and influence into income. From reality TV to billionaire status, Kylie Jenner has shown that youth, style, and ambition, when combined, can shape a global empire. Push pinned comment, call to action lipstick. What's your favorite Kylie Jenner moment? Her makeup empire, her fashion, or her role as a mom? Let us know in the comments. Sparkles like this story? Like, share, and subscribe to the History Plug for more iconic celebrity biographies.